What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to evaluate the limit using the L'Hopital's rule. First example is limit of e to the power of x minus 1 plus x divided by x cubed when x is approaching 0. When you sub it there, it's going to be e to the power of 0 minus 1 plus 0 over 0 to the power of 3. That's going to be 1 minus 1 over 0, which is going to be 0 over 0. It means that we need to use the L'Hopital's rule since we are dealing with 0 over 0. So what L'Hopital's rule says? It says the limit will be the derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. So derivative of numerator, derivative of e to the power of x is the same thing. Derivative of negative 1 plus x is going to be negative 1. Derivative of x cubed is going to be 3x squared. So when x is approaching 0, it's going to be e to the power of 0 minus 1 over 0, which is 1 minus 1, 0 over 0. Again, we need to do it one more time. The derivative is going to be e to the power of x. 6x when x is approaching 0 is going to be e to the power of 0 over 6 times 0. That's going to be 1 over 0, which is going to be infinity. Next example. Limit of ln x to the power of 3 times x squared minus 1 when x is approaching 1. So that's going to be limit of 3 ln x squared minus 1 when x is approaching 1. That's going to be limit of 3 ln 1 over 1 minus 1. That's 0 over 0. Since it's 0 over 0, we need to use the L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. That's going to be 3 over x. And here is going to be 2x when x is approaching 1. That's going to be 3 over 1, 2 times 1. That's 3 over 2. That's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.